A pleasant day, everyone. This is my speech about the mother's love, the silent hero of our lives. A mother has 6 letters, but they are the most incredible woman you'll ever meet. A mother is the core of the family because of their love, sacrifices, and support for every family member. She is there for us in every step of our lives, witnessing all of our achievements and our special moments. A mother may not wear a cape, mask, or costume, but she is our superhero at home, possessing the superhero to make life easier and bearable. From the moment we are born, our mothers shower us with the love and care we need, ensuring that we will grow up with kindness in our heart. They often worry about our future. They want us to have a good life even after they leave in this world. Every sleepless night spent taking for us when we are sick or away from home reflects the remarkable love of the mothers for their children. Being a mother is not just bearing a child for 9 months and giving birth, it is a never ending responsibility, even when we become parents ourselves. Our mother is still there to guide us, and we remain their children in their eyes. There are different kinds of mothers. There are adopted mother, biological mother, and a mother figures. Despite of their differences, we should not compare them as they share one thing in common, the love they have for their children. A big hug to all mothers out there. Your care and support can make a big difference in this world. So once again, my name is Susan Ramos from BSc English 2A, and this is my speech about the mother's love, the silent hero of our lives. Thank you so much.